What's up, you guys? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution. If you look here, new shirt, Bellator. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Can you see that? Yep. Anyhow, Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Matt of Wellington, Colorado. He says, I was an insurance company customer for about 7 years. Things went fine until I submitted a claim for my roof. Weird. Things are fine until you actually have to use your insurance that you're paying for every single month, right? The relationship immediately became adversarial. The insurance company was slow to respond to my claim. The adjuster turned down the claim after a 5-minute inspection. Representatives from 2 roofing companies told me my roof was obviously damaged by wind and hail, but the insurance company was more difficult to work with on claims than other companies. The roofer is telling you, the insured, that this insurance company is harder to work with on insurance claims than other companies. Should that be a red flag? And don't you wish you knew that before you signed up with that insurance company? I tried to pursue an appeal, but after struggling with insurance company bureaucracy for 2 more weeks, I got frustrated, dropped the claim, and got a new insurance company. No, Matt, no, please say it isn't so. This is how the insurance companies win, okay? If you don't have the tenacity to persevere and pursue the insurance claim, they win. Don't let them win. They've been taking your money for how many years? How long has the insurance company been taking your money, your premiums, to not then pay a claim that is a legitimate claim? Okay? If you have multiple roofers telling you there's hail damage, the insurance company doesn't want to pay for it, guess what you should do? You should hire a public adjuster just like me, a public insurance adjuster that works only on behalf of the policyholder or the insured, which is you, to make sure you get the amount of money that you need through the claims process to become whole, as good or better before the loss, okay? So if you've had some sort of loss, if it's hail, wind, fire, lightning, whatever it might be, contact us today. We'll navigate the often confusing, often angering, often frustrating commercial claims insurance process and make sure you are represented properly to get the money that you are owed for that insurance claim. Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. I hope you guys like my new shirt. bellatorclaims.com. Contact us today.